Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix duplicate login detected on Among Us. If you ever get the duplicate login detected error message while playing Among Us, then it might be because of several reasons. If you're already logged into the feed server and then try to log in again without logging out, then you might walk through this issue. Also, if you're logged in from one PC and if someone else tried to log in from another place or from another device with the same ID and password, that might also walk you through this situation. So in order to fix the issue, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you go through the duplicate login detected error on Among Us, then the first thing to do is to close the game and restart it again. Simply go ahead and swipe from the bottom of your main home screen on your iOS device and slide your Among Us game panel at the top. Soon after you do that, this will close your game running on the background. The next thing to do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Among Us into the search box. If you see an update button popping up right next to the Among Us app, tap on update to get the latest version of Among Us installed on your iOS device. If you see an open button, it means that your application is already updated. Once the update is completed, the next thing to do is to go and tap on settings from your app drawer. From settings, scroll down and tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. From the app list, go ahead and look for Among Us and tap on it. Tap on Offload App button and tap on Offload App again. Soon after you do that, you'll need to reinstall the application to get back to the game again. So tap on Reinstall App and wait until the application gets reinstalled. Once the application is reinstalled, tap it open and see if that fixes the issue. If nothing else works out, you can delete the Among Us application right from your mobile device by press holding the app and tap on Remove App. In the pop-up, tap on Delete App and again tap on Delete in the pop-up. Once you delete your Among Us application, get back to your App Store and reinstall the app and see if that fixes the issue. After performing all of these steps, you might be able to fix your duplicate login detected error on Among Us using iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.